Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Google Authenticator on RedotPay. Now, first of all, you need to launch RedotPay and then sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account yet, you can sign up with the help of the given link in the description in order to get $5 sign up bonus absolutely for free. Now, inside your RedotPay application, tap on this profile icon on the top left hand corner. Afterwards, tap on the option of security. Over here, you are going to see the option of Google Authenticator. So you need to simply tap on this option. Now over here, you need to simply just tap on the option of set up Google Authenticator, and then you can tap on the option of not now. Afterwards, code is going to be sent on your email address, which you need to put over here, and then you need to tap on the option of verify. Now as soon as you do this, you are going to see the pass key, so you need to use that key and you need to put that inside your Google Authenticator, and then you just have to simply add the code which is going to be generated inside your Google Authenticator app. Inside your RedotPay app, you need to add that, and this way you will be able to enable Google Authenticator very easily. So the steps are very smooth. You just have to download the Google Authenticator application, add the passkey, and then you need to simply add the code inside RedotPay. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.